entrepreneurship world, the term startup is increasingly used to refer to emerging companies, usually linked to tech companies that arise after implementation of an innovative idea leveraged in the use of new technologies. This is why startups continue to have an exponential growth, practically unstoppable, due to the innovative component that characterizes them. Let's talk a little bit about company startups. As we all know, the tech business is constantly changing, and these companies are characterized by their broad ability to adapt to these changes. This is why they are based on a structure of associated minimum costs that grow exponentially as the product or service offered acquires greater demand in the market, allowing in turn a greater and better communication with the customer or user. All this doesn't mean that all startups succeed. Let's talk about why startups fail. Well, market problems, business model failure, poor management of team, failure to develop a product that meets the market needs are few of the disadvantages why a startup might fail. Well, let's talk about new startups. Ideas represent the raw material to create a startup as they go hand in hand with innovation. The human being has an innate ability to create. You just need an original idea to take the first step in the world of startups. We must then prepare ourselves to identify the relevant aspects as well as the tools with which we have to channel it and put it into execution, with technology being the perfect ally to give continuity to this process. From this point, what remains is to evaluate the viability of the idea to get to work. Although there are many elements that play an important role in the development of a startup, among which stand out are the technological platforms, analytical capacity, as well as the implementation of techniques that stimulate entrepreneurship. How do you take the lowest possible risk when creating a startup? Starting from the premise, the methodology of lean startup proposed by Weil arises. This methodology, when used correctly, minimizes the risk implicit in the creation of a startup, in a process framed in build, measure and learn to generate innovation. Entrepreneurship and consequently the creation of startups are essential for economic growth and development, bringing as a result a society aware of risks involved in the activity but with the incentive necessary to implement a great idea. For more such information, please visit www.solutionvalley.com.